Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Helper. Today, I'm going to show you something special. How to access CapCut PRO features completely free. That's right, no watermarks, premium effects, and exclusive music. All at your fingertips. How is this possible? Let's dive right in. First, I'm creating a new project and adding pro-only effects and transitions. I'll speed up the process to save time. Finally, let's add the pro-exclusive countless music track. Now, when I try to export this project, we get the Pro Plan Required warning that redirects us to the payment page. Normally, these features are paid, but today, I'll show you how to use them for free. I'll click Back to Edit to return to our project. So how do we bypass this? Let the magic begin. Here's the step-by-step method to bypass CapCut's restriction. This technique utilizes a loophole in CapCut. No cracks or third-party apps needed. But important warning, this might get patched anytime, so learn it now. First, select all elements in our project. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip to group everything together. Then, right-click the compound clip and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. Wait for the process to complete. Now right-click the Windows Start menu and open Run. Type %AppData% and press Enter. Navigate up to the parent directory and follow this path. C/users, your username, AppData, local, CapCut, user data, projects/com.lveditor, draft. CapCut stores projects in randomly named folders here. My project is named 0412. You'll only see one folder if it's your only project. Open the Resources, then Combination folder. And here it is, our rendered video file. Ignore the alpha channel file. Let's open this video file to check. As you can see, all our professional features, effects, transitions, and music are perfectly preserved. And it's in full 1080p resolution. And there you have it, a practical way to use CapCut professional features for free. But I must emphasize, this video is for educational purposes only. My goal is to demonstrate how software works and improve your digital literacy. Important notes. This method may violate CapCut's terms of service. CapCut could patch this loophole in any update. Your account might face restrictions long-term. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We always support using software through official channels. See you in the next video. Take care.